अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्न टू सर्व पाकिस्तान। आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे पीएमएस 2015 का जो जनरल नॉलेज का पेपर था और उसमें क्वेश्चंस की जो डाइवर्सिटी थी वो क्या थी। और एक आपको बात बताता चलूँ कि जो 2015 का पेपर था उसमें इंग्लिश ऐसे से भी ज़्यादा लोग जो है जनरल नॉलेज पेपर में फेल हुए थे। तो पेपर को ये डिस्कस करने का सिर्फ एक ही मकसद होता है कि हमको डायरेक्शन मिल जाए कि ये पीएमएस का जो एग्ज़ाम है, इसका जो जनरल नॉलेज का पेपर होता है वो किस तरह का आता है, उसमें कौन कौन से जो एरियाज़ हैं जिनको कवर करना होता है। साइंस है, मैथमेटिक्स है, जनरल नॉलेज है, जियोग्राफी है, तो जो सारे आइडियाज़ हम पास्ट पेपर्स को अगर हम देखें तो हमें मिल जाते हैं। तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। और अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि जो भी हम नई वीडियो बनाए वो आप तक पहुंच सके। Question number 1. Father of former US Secretary of State Madeleine Albright was also a member of the United Nations Commission on India-Pakistan and author of the book Danger of Kashmir. What was his name? So his name was Joseph Corbel. Question number 2. Who was the leader of the 1958 coup in Iraq which led to proclamation of Iraq as a republic? So correct answer is Abdul Karim Qasim. Former Prime Minister of Malaysia Mahathir Mohamad was by education he was a medical doctor. Major Shabir Sharif was awarded Nishan-e-Azhar posthumously. Which other medal for bravery was he awarded during his career in the army? He was also awarded as Star-e-Jurrat. In which organ of the UN all member states are represented? So all members are represented in General Assembly of the United Nations. Question number 6. Which Indian personality served as the President of the United Nations General Assembly in 1953-54? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit represented. Question 7. Ustad Allah Bakhsh was a famous painter of Pakistan. Next question. Advisor to the Prime Minister on Foreign Affairs Sartaj Aziz holds a master's degree in development economics from which university? So he got his degree from Harvard University. During his address to the United Nations General Assembly, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif proposed a new peace initiative with India, starting with implementation of 4 measures relating to ceasefire along the LOC, non-use of force, demilitarization of Kashmir, and withdrawal of forces from Siachen. UNFCCC United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change was adopted during the Earth Summit at Rio de Janeiro 1992. When did it come into force? It came into force in March 1994. Question 11. Who was the first United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights? So Jose Eleso was the first United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights. Question 12. DBS is one of the biggest names in diamond industry. Who was the founder of DBS Consolidated Mines Company? John Cecil Rhodes was the founder of that company. The Treaty of European Union 1992 is also known as Maastricht Treaty. King Abdulaziz Ibn Saud named the Kingdom of Hijaz and Najd as Saudi Arabia in 1932. Headquarters of the African Union is located in Addis Ababa. Question 16. Which of the following Indian Nobel Prize winners is associated with economics? So the correct answer was Amartya Sen. Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis, as we all know that it is 23 hours and 56 minutes, so it is almost 24 hours. So it's from science. When a gas turns into a liquid, the process is called condensation. Question number 19. It is also from science. Yeast used in making of bread is a fungus. The disease diphtheria affects which organ in the human body? So from diphtheria, it can affect the throat in human body. Question number 21. World Economic Forum, which holds its annual session in Davos, Switzerland, was founded by Klaus Schwab. The presidency of the United Nations Security Council rotates in alphabetical order among its members every month. It is changed after every month in alphabetical order. UNESCO, which is an important organ of United Nations which deals with education, science and culture, has its headquarters in Paris, which is located in France. Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action 1992 deals with rights and protection of children. So you can predict what type of the paper was in 2015. Mostly paper was from the current affairs, so you have to prepare the current affair as well. Question number 25. The current chairman of PEMRA is Absar Alam. Sharmeen Ubaid Chennai of Pakistan won an Oscar Award for Best Documentary Film. What was the title of the film? Saving Face. LED technology is energy efficient. What does LED stand for? LED stands for light emitting diode. Which of the following is not necessary for standalone computers? So the correct answer was LAN card. Jaburji in Lahore was reported a gateway to a beautiful garden built for Princess Zebun-i-Nisa. She was an accomplished daughter of which emperor? So Zebun-i-Nisa was the daughter of the Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir. Find the odd one out. RAM, ROM, cache, and none of these. So the correct answer is cache. Question number 31. What was the code name given to United States Navy SEALs operation leading elimination of Osama in Abbottabad, Geronimo? 32. Pedagogy is the science of teaching. Question number 33. When was the first Nobel Prize awarded? So the first Nobel Prize was awarded in 1901. When was the first time right to vote given to women in Switzerland? So the first time the right was given to women in Switzerland in 1971. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is located in which country? So the Leaning Tower is located in Italy. Question number 36. Epistemology is the study of knowledge. U Thant was the first United Nations Secretary General from Asia. To which country did he belong? So he belongs to Burma. Question number 38. On which river is the Bagaliar Dam being constructed by India? So India is constructing Bagaliar Dam on river Chenab. Question number 39. How many acres are there in 1 hectare? So 2.47 acres are there in 1 hectare. Question number 40. Liquids that evaporate quickly are known as volatile liquids. If a ship travels from fresh water to sea or ocean, it will rise a little higher because the ocean water or sea water has a different density than fresh water. Which one of the following is a good source of potassium? The correct option was spinach. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder? The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. In March 2015, the United Nations decided to increase Pakistan's continental shelf from 200 to 350 nautical miles. When did Pakistan submit its request for increasing limits of its continental shelf to the United Nations? So the correct answer is April 2009. Who is the incumbent Foreign Minister of Pakistan at that time? Nawaz Sharif hold this incumbency to itself, so he was the Foreign Minister of Pakistan. The Oscar Award-winning film Slumdog Millionaire is based on the book Q&A written by Vikas Swarup. What was the real name of famous Pakistani actor Santosh Kumar? So Santosh Kumar's real name was Syed Musa Raza. Which one of the following greenhouse gases has the greatest warming effect? So the methane CH3, the chemical formula, has the greatest warming effect. Question number 49. The fifth Heart of Asia Istanbul Process Ministerial Meeting was held in Islamabad on 8 to 9 December 2015. Where was the fourth meeting held? So the fourth meeting was held in Beijing. Which of the following species is endemic to Pakistan? So the correct option was Indus River dolphins, as they are endemic to Pakistan, as the species are very rare. Which animal is most illegally traded animal in the world? So pangolin is the most illegally traded animal in the world. This question is from a general science and ability, as you can say it is from IQ. Mr. and Mrs. Sajad have 7 daughters. Each daughter has 1 brother. What is the total number of members of the family? So the total numbers of the members of the families are 10. Question number 53 is also from IQ. If 5 cars are parked bumper to bumper, how many bumpers are touching each other? So the 8 bumpers will be touching each other. Asif is standing in a queue in such a way that he is 6th in the queue from either side. How many are there in the queue? So the numbers will be 11. Which of the following countries expelled the PLO in 1970? So the Jordan expelled the PLO in 1970. The provision of 25th Amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan shall remain in force for 2 years. It is about the special courts which were formed after the Peshawar attack. Which actor played the role of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the feature film Jinnah, directed by Jamil Dehlavi? Christopher Lee played that specific role. The current Auditor General of Pakistan is at that time Rana Asad Amin was the Auditor General of Pakistan. Reshma was a legendary folk singer of Pakistan. She died of cancer in Lahore in November 2013. Famous TV drama Waris was written by Amjad Islam Amjad. Climate Change Conference COP21 was held in Paris. Where was COP20 held? So COP20 held in Lima. Who was India's Foreign Minister prior to Mrs. Shamsha Swaraj? Salman Khurshid was India's Foreign Minister before Mrs. Shamsha Swaraj. What was the rank of former Foreign Minister Gohar Ayub Khan when he left the army? He was captain at that time. Who was the American ambassador who died along with President Zia-ul-Haq in plane crash in 1988? Arnold Raffel died in that accident. Recently, a leading politician, Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhary, was hanged in Bangladesh. His father, Fazlur Rahman Chaudhary, had served on an important position in Pakistan prior to separation of Bangladesh. Please name that position. So he worked as Speaker, National Assembly. Kamran's Baradari in Lahore is one of the oldest Mughal monuments. So exactly was Kamran? He was son of Babur, or you can say he was stepbrother of Humayun. The youngest son of Maharaja Ranjit Singh was elevated as Maharaja at a tender age of about 5 years. What was his name? So his name was Duleep Singh. Khudadad Khan was the first South Asian soldier in the British Army to receive the highest military award of gallantry, the Victoria Cross, during the First World War. In which country was he fighting where he performed the act of bravery? He performed that his services in Belgium. During the visit to Islamabad of Indian Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj, it was agreed to resume comprehensive dialogue between India and Pakistan. In which year the two countries first agreed to have regular structured dialogue? So they started it in 1998. GT Road is one of the main highways of Pakistan. What does GT stand for? GT stands for Grand Trunk. How many administrative divisions are there in Punjab? So there are 9 divisions in Punjab. Which one of the following districts of Punjab has the lowest population density? So the Rajanpur has the lowest population density. Zero-sum game, as employed by the supporters of game theory, assumes that the loss of one party is the loss of the other party as well. Hingol National Park, located in Makran district, Balochistan, is famous for its mud volcanoes. Falkland Island or the Malvinas Island are disputed between the United Kingdom and Argentina. Grassland plains of Argentina are pampas. Maslow's needs hierarchy theory relates to motivation. Taj Mahal is located on the bank of river Jamuna. The capital of Kosovo is Pristina. Usain Bolt, the holder of world record for 100-meter race, belongs to Jamaica. Faiz Ahmed Faiz was awarded the Lenin Peace Prize in 1962. In which year did Abdul Adi received this prize? So he received this prize in 1988. Detroit, USA is associated with automobile industry. The world famous paintings on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican City were painted by Michelangelo. Desai National Park is remarkable as it is one of the highest plateaus in the world with an average elevation of 4,114 meters. In which region of Pakistan it is located? So it is located in Gilgit-Baltistan. Who said right is a reasonable claim recognized by the society and enforced by the state? Bosanquet said that, quote. Who among the following argues that the fault lines of civilizations are the breeding grounds of conflicts in the 21st century? Samuel Huntington said. Lal Sonra is a famous national park is located near Bahawalpur. Question number 88. Herbert Simon identified 4 basic motivations of subordinates to accept the will of Superior, which of the following is not among them? Social disapproval is not among them. Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. Who said famous quote, man is by nature a political animal? Aristotle said that famous quote. During the British rule, the only British king to visit India and hold his darbar was George V. Ramsar Convention provides a framework for national action and international cooperation for the conservation and wise use of wetlands and their resources. The convention was adopted in 1917 in Ramsar, which is a city located in Iran. Question number 93. According to Article 257 of the Constitution, when the people of Jammu and Kashmir accede to Pakistan, then people of Kashmir will determine the relationship between the state and Pakistan. Famous Urdu poet Mustafa Zaidi was by profession a civil servant. Facebook is one of the most popular social networking site. When was it launched? So it was launched in 2004. The first battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Abraham Lodi. India tested its nuclear device first in 1974 on date 18 May. Human Development Index is an indicator of the well-being of a country. Was the brainchild of Mahbub ul-Haq. Zimbabwe was earlier known as Southern Rhodesia. Pacemaker is a device which works to regulate the heartbeat. होप सो कि आपको अंदाज़ा हो गया होगा कि इस पेपर में किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। ये मेरे ख्याल से जितने भी पीएमएस के पेपर हुए हैं उनमें से 2015 का रिलेटिवली जो है टफ पेपर था।